Hello. So, yeah. I just want to say that I'm gonna start a reset system today. It's what I call the get your life or get your shit together. Get your shit together reset. So, what it does is it's meant to reset your life or get your shit together basically. Yeah, that's what it is. In 30 days or less. So, what made me go into this reset? So, so the thing is, I used to work out every day. Now it's already April of 2026 and I haven't worked out once. Oh, I did once. But yeah. So now I'm trying to get back into it. Slowly jog my way back into it. So every day is slow. I get to jog just for me to get moving. Just for me to get back to that feeling and go on. And so what? Next is for my finances. So yeah, I'm trying to basically earn online. Well, I've been earning online, but it's not enough. Well, I guess it's never enough. But yeah, just have to go through it. So I'll improve that shit and more. What else? I don't know what else. Although I don't know what I'm talking about right now. Basically, the plan is a ragged plan. Ragged? That? I don't know. Basically, there's no plan. I just want to know. I just have to know. Wait, no. Basically, there's no plan. I just know I'm trying to reset my life and get my shit together. And I will be outlining it later on, but that's not important right now. What's important is to get moving. So one more thing. So why did I say that? Did I know myself? And I've been putting off a lot of things. Dude, a lot. So basically in this reset system or challenge in a way, I will be crossing every single one of those things that I've placed away, that I've put away. Dude, even my checkups, even my annual checkups I haven't even gotten my annual checkups yet. And yeah, like that. And more. So basically I will get everything back together and yeah. So I'll be documenting it here. And if you're interested, or if you're interested in how I'll do, or maybe you're looking to get your shit together too, drop me a follow, comment, or a message, and I don't know, maybe we can get in touch and motivate each other or something, or I really don't know. But yeah, feel free to shoot me a message on Friendly and all, and looking forward to meet. See you.